A causal relationship is one in which a change in one of the variables causes a change in the other variable. Let's look at some examples of different relationships and determine how strongly they are correlated and if they have causal relationships. Priya creates a scatter plot showing the relationship between the number of steps she takes and her heart rate. The correlation coefficient of the line of best fit is 0.88. Since 0.88 is close to 1, the steps Priya takes and her heart rate are pretty strongly correlated. Do you think either variable causes the other to change? As Priya takes more steps, her heart rate would be expected to increase. It seems reasonable to think of this as a causal relationship. Correlation and causation help determine if claims are false. What is wrong with this claim? A new website shows a scatter plot with a negative relationship between the amount of sugar eaten and happiness levels. The headline reads, "Eating sugar causes happiness to decrease." While there is a negative relationship that may show correlation, there is nothing proving that eating more sugar causes happiness to decrease.